Hey guys, how are you doing? So this is a follow-up video to the one which I posted earlier, this one, where the check nut was loose on top of the yoke, and because of which the steering started wobbling all of a sudden, and it was wobbling left right, which was most dangerous because I lost control over steering and I had to bring the vehicle back somehow. And I have found out how to get this thing fixed. So enjoy this follow-up video. So this is the check nut which got loose yesterday, making the steering wobble up and down as well as left and right. So I don't know how it got loose all of a sudden. This looks like a 14 mm check nut, and this is the yoke I was talking about. Here beneath this portion, the yoke nut is there. So it seems like the yoke nut was not loose, because that's what I was wondering while coming back. Because if the yoke gets loose, the handle becomes free, basically it will wobble more, it will go left and right. So you do not have any control over steering once it is loose. It's like the drive shaft in cars. So if it gets loose, then you lose control over steering. So probably because of that, they have this additional bolt and nut which they call check nut. I have seen many other people reporting about this issue, so that's the reason I'm making this video. So this particular check nut, a 14 number check nut, gets loose. So if you get stranded or something like me, then I think you can fix it yourself, because you just need to remove the front panel by removing the Allen key screws on the back around the speaker grill and all. I think you need to remove the cover of speakers to remove this front panel, which also accesses the VCU, etc. I think you do get a 14 number spanner with your toolkit on Ola. This looks like a 14 number nut which needs to be tightened if it gets loose. So safety risk, because if I was driving fast, I could have easily fallen, especially if I was an inexperienced rider, or maybe a female rider or something. Need to be careful while riding Ola bikes, because this check nut can get loosened anytime without warning, without any provocation or anything. So you need to be careful about it. Alright guys, so please do ride carefully and be careful about these limitations of our Ola S1 Pro. Safe riding. Have a blessed day. Please do like, share and subscribe, and please do comment your thoughts about it. Bye-bye.
Let's go play. Not like this people. Captured on video without any reason this boat has got free.